Good morning, everybody. Dear students, today we are going to continue this lesson. What we are going to stop yesterday's class, the previous class. The gentleman of Rio and Yesterday's class, we are going to discuss about that word gentleman. He want to sell his sold his property, land to the American peoples. How that agreement have been between the Americans and also the old gentleman. What are the conditions applied? And also how the old gentleman, when he enter into his office, they want to describe about his physical appearance and how he has having his respect to the American peoples. You know, Chetty. And how he sold his property. These are all the things we are going to discuss in the last video or yesterday's. Let us, we are going to move from the 7th paragraph itself. How that Americans, they take hand over the land, how they improve that land or orchard, and how that village children, they want to play in that field or land. And also how that Americans, they want to reconstruct that old house in that village. Now, I want to read this lesson. Let's going to continue this. From 7th paragraph itself, we are going to start. Look at the text. A month later, my friends had moved into Rio and Medio. They had replastered the old house, poured the trees, patched the fence, and moved in summer. One day, they came back to the office to comply. The children of the village were overrunning their property. They came every day and played under the trees, but little play, fences around them, and took blossoms. Blossoms means flowers. Blossoms, when they were spoken to, they only laughed and talked back good naturally in Spanish. I sent a messenger up to the mountain for Don Anselmo. I took a week to arrange another meeting. When he arrived, he repeated his previous preliminary performance. He wore the same faded cutaway, carried the same stick, and was compliant with the boy again. He shook hands all around, sat down with the boy behind his chair, and talked about the weather. Finally, I broached the subject, Don Anselmo, about the reach to soul to those people. They are good people and want to be your good neighbors always. When you sold to them, you signed a document, a deed, and in that deed, you agreed to several things. One thing was that they were to to have the complete possession of the property. Now the answer, it seems that every day the children of the village overrun the arch and spend most of their time there. He would like to know if you, as the most respected man in the village, could not stop them from doing so in order that these people might enjoy their new home more in peace. Don Anselmo stood up. We have all learned to love these Americans, he said, because they are good people and good neighbors. I sold them my property because I knew they were good people. But I do not sell them the trees in the arch. This was bad, Don Anselmo. I pleaded. When one signs a deed and sells real property, one sells also everything that grows on the land. And those trees, every one of them are on the land, are inside the boundaries of what you sold. Yes, I admit that, he said. You know, he addressed, I am the oldest man in the village. Almost everyone there is my relative, and all the children of Rio and Medio are my sovereigns and neots, my destinates. Every time a child has been born in Rio and Medio, since I took possession of the house from my mother, I have planted a tree for that child. The trees in that orchard are not mine, since they belong to the children of the village. Every person in Rio and Medio born since the railroad from came to Santa Fe owns a tree in that orchard. I did not sell the trees because I could not, they are not mine. There was nothing we could do legally. We owned the trees, but the old man had been so generous, refusing the water amounted to the fortune for him. It took most of following winter to buy the trees individually from the descendants of Don Anselmo in the valley of Rio and Medio. Yes. Dear students, from the 7th paragraph itself, we are going to discuss. A month later, my friends had moved into the Rio and Medio. Yes. A month later, when that old gentleman he sold his property to the Americans, a month later his friends moved into a Rio and Medio. Rio and Medio, it is the name of a village or place. They had replastered the old house. That my friends they had to replaster. It means they have to they have to reply or reconstruct or replaster the old house. Pruned the trees, patched the fence, and moved in somewhere. That is all his friends make arrangements. And they came to that field in summer. One day they came back to the office to comply. One day the people, Americans, they came back to the office of that old man to comply. The children of the village were overrunning their property. The children of the village, they were overrunning their property. The children of the Rio Medio, they want to play in that land every day. They came every day and played under the trees. The children of the Rio Medio, they played under the tree every day. Built little play fences around them. They have to play and they built some little fences around them. And took blossoms. Blossoms means flowers. When they are spoken to, they only laugh and talk back good naturally in Spanish. When they want to talk about them, they were just laughing. So this is the problem that Americans facing. I sent a messenger up to the mountains for Don Anselmo. Here, they sent a messenger to Don Anselmo. I took a week to arrange another meeting. Don Anselmo, he took 1 week time for arrange another meeting. When he arrived, he repeated his previous preliminary performance. So when again he repeated his when he came to that meeting a week later, again we have to find the preliminary performance of that old gentleman. Preliminary performance means, you know that he had a hat, he wore his old stick, walking stick, and he wearing the torn glasses, and he wearing that torn faded coat, and behind him a black colored boy always was behind him. So this is the primary performance of that old gentleman. He wore the same faded cutaway, carried the same stick, and was accompanied by the boy again. Again, what as I told you, the same preliminary performance. He shook hand all around. Again, he shook his hand all around. So, with sat down with the boy behind his chair. He sat down behind with his chair, the boy behind his chair, and talked about the weather. Finally, I broached the subject. Finally, the Americans, they broached the subject. Don Anselmo, about the rent you sold these people. They are good people and want to be your good drivers always. Yes. Don Anselmo, you want to sold his property for that Americans, for the sake of that Americans are very good people, and also they are good neighbors. They are good people and want to be your good neighbors always. When you sold to them, you signed a document, a deed, and in that deed you agreed to several things. One thing was that they were to have to complete possession of that property. Yes, once the property is sold, once the document or deed completed, that the whole property belongs to the people, Americans. Now Don Anselmo, it seems that every day the children of the village overrun the arch and spend most of their time there. We would like to know if you, as the most respected man in the village, could not stop them from doing so in order that these people might enjoy their new home more in peace. That Americans complained to the Don Anselmo, the old gentleman, about the children. Regularly, daily, that the children of that village, they want to play in the arch and they have to put the fence around the trees. This is the complaint from the Americans about the children of real need. Don Anselmo stood up. At the time of the meeting, Don Anselmo stood up. We have all learned to love these Americans. We have to learn to love these Americans. He said, because they are good people. Americans are good people and good neighbors also. So, Americans are good people and good neighbors also. I sold them my property. So that purpose only I sold my property. Because I knew they were good people. Because only that Americans are good people and good neighbors also. But I did not sell them the trees in the arch. The old gentleman says like this, I did not sell that trees in the arch. But I did not sell them the trees in the arch. Like this, the old old gentleman answer in the meeting. This was bad, Anselmo. The Americans replied now, this was bad, Anselmo. This was bad, Anselmo. I pleaded, when one signs a deed and sells real property, one sells also everything that grows on the land, and those trees, every one of them, are on the land and inside the boundaries of what you sold. The Americans discuss like this or told like this. This was bad, Anselmo. This is not a good way. This is not a good thing what you are going to say. The trees of the orchard belongs to the children. But I did not sold the trees. This is not a. This is a very bad, Anselmo. Like this, the Americans they want to talk against the Anselmo. Yes, I admit that. And Anselmo said like this. Yes, I admit that. Yes, I agreed it. He said, you know, he added. You know that? That Anselmo says like that. You know, he added. I am the oldest man in the village. So Anselmo also the oldest man in the village. Almost everyone, there is my relative and all the children of Rio Medio are my sobrinos and neos. Yes, he told like this, I am the oldest man in this village. I am having almost all the people, they were my relatives, those who are living in this village. The children also belongs to my relatives. Every time my descendants, every time a child has been born in Rio and Medio. So every time when one child born in that village, Rio and Medio, since I took a position of that house from my mother, so then only I took a position from that family or my mother. I have planted a tree for that child. So in that village, when one child born, then they have to plant a tree or planted a tree for that child only. The trees in that orchard are not mine. So that trees, those who are in that orchard, they are not mine. Sinner. They belong to the children of the village. The trees were all in that orchard, they are not mine. They are to belong to the children of the village. Every person in Rio Medio born since the railroad come to Santa Fe owns a tree in the torch. Every tree belongs to the children of that village. Rio Medio. I did not sell the trees because I could not. They are not mine. So like this, the old gentleman replied to the Americans, I did not sell the trees because I could not, they are not mine. The trees are not mine, only that the trees are belongs to the village children. There was nothing we could do, we cannot do. Legally we owned the trees, but the old man had been so generous, refusing what amounted to a fortune for him. He took most of the following winter to buy the trees. Individually from the descendants of Don Anselmo in the valley of Rio and Medio. Like this, there is a conversation going between these peoples. Dear students, we know that the old gentleman Don Anselmo, he say all the story of that village. That in that village, when a child was born, then they have to plant a tree in that arch, so that the trees belongs to the children only. I cannot say that sold the trees. The trees belongs to that village children, because in that village where all of the people his relatives, that children belongs to my relatives. the trees cannot mind. So that you have to know that I am the youngest, the oldest person, oldest man in the village. The people, they want to respect us. That's purpose I did not sold the trees, because the trees did not belongs to mine. The trees only belongs to the children of the village. So then the Americans, they were very angry against that old man. But the story was like this. The old man, the gentleman, he want to describe about all the story of that village. You know that once the property is sold to other people, that property belongs to those who are buying that property. So, but here Don Anselmo he says like that inside the property the trees are not mine, only that belongs to the children of the village beyond video. This is the conversation. This is the talking in between that Americans and also in between that old gentleman Don Anselmo. Have you understood, my students? Any doubt? Yes. So here, so many new words are introducing here. One is Senator Catron. It means Senator Catron means Thomas Benton Catron, a senator from New Mexico. Vinocente. This is Spanish word. The meaning of that Vinocente means good people. You know, as I told you, that Americans are good people. So that purpose only the old gentleman, Don Anselmo, he sold his property to the Americans, because Americans are good people and also good neighbors. So the right means to. Deed means agreement. Written document, that is agreement. Abode means home. So let us, we are going to know these new words. It is better to read it, and you are going to try to construct a sentence using these new words in your own. Let us move towards the homework questions. Here there are so many simple homework questions are given here. One is, why was the real video so important for Don Anselmo? As I told you, because his ancestors, his old generation people, they were living in that only the people, the village, real video. They have to kill the land since from 100 years ago. So that purpose, the real video is so important for Don Anselmo or the old gentleman. Come to the second question. How did the old man greet the people who had been waiting for him? As I told you, when the old man, Don Anselmo, he went for the sake of the meeting in his office, the approaching way or the physical appearance of that old gentleman are real video. So third one, why did Don Anselmo refuse to take more money? As I already told. So the old gentleman, he refused to take more money from the Americans, because he was only sold that property for the Americans peoples, because they are good people and also good neighbors. So that purpose only he did not take more money from that, or he refused to take more money from the Americans. So let us move in the next questions. What was the meaning of the word Vinocente? Know that, as I told you, that meaning of that Vinocente, it is from Spanish word. Vinocente means a good people or a good neighbors who are the good neighbors or good people here in this lesson? Anyone? Yes, the Americans are the good people or good neighbors in this lesson. Next, why did the Americans generous to their own way? So because the Americans are good people, good laborers, for the sake of that only they have that old gentleman Don Anselmo want to sold his property for only that Americans. These are all the simple questions we have to go to answer. So have you understood this lesson? Dear students, any doubt from this lesson? Ask any question, any doubt? I think you have already understood this lesson. So any doubts, please ask. So this is the only thing we are going to know this from this lesson, that Americans are good people and also good neighbors. So once the deed is gone or deed is open, that all property belongs to that people who are purchased the land only. Here the gentleman of Rio Medio or the Don Anselmo is sold that land only, but not that trees inside that arch, because that arch, that trees are belongs to that village children. So that purpose he sold that property. That children every day they played under the trees in the arch. So this is the thing that is having such a love and affection about that children of Rio Medio. So like this, the old gentleman, he was a gentleman really, he is told like this, I sold my property only, not the trees. The trees are belongs to mine. Like this. Here, you know that the old man was a really gentleman. He was really a good gentleman. So even though in the agreement he told like this about that village or the children, they belongs to that village. Then he was the only respected old person in that village. All villagers they respect for that man only. So that he did not sold the trees. The trees are belongs to the children of that village or real video. For that purpose, the old gentleman he told like this. But the Americans are very angry, but they have to understand that the story of that village. This is the story. You know that any doubt of this lesson? Yes? Anybody? Yes, here the children are very important. The respect of that old gentleman also very important. So that purpose here he not sold that trees who are in this the trees are in that arch. That arch, the trees are not sold, but the trees belongs to the village children. Have you understood this lesson? Yes? Any doubt? I think no doubt at all. All of the students they want to understood this lesson. This is the good lesson that you are going to know. One thing you are going to remember here in this lesson, that respect of that old man and also the respect to the old children. These are all the very important things we are going to remember in this lesson only. So, being a students, we are also ready to give a respect to that old man or old gentleman, so that this is the thing we are going to know in this lesson. This is the story about that Rio and Medio. The gentleman of this Rio and Medio. Really, in the Donald Sharma, he was a real gentleman. So this is the gentleman's story from this lesson. So, any questions that you are going to ask now? No questions? I think you are going to know about this lesson. I think you are going to understand this lesson. So, let us, we are going to discuss about this lesson in the next period. Now we are going to stop here only. So let us, we are going to continue this lesson in the next class only. Okay.